What's going on, guys? I'm going to be teaching you how to do something called the Flutter Kick. I actually made this video on my Instagram a long time ago, but I think I can still hold up because, you know, that video was made when I was like, I don't know, I think I was like 27. But now I'm 30. Let's see what I can do for 30. So, Flutter Kick. I'm coming straight to you guys. That's all I'm doing. And it's a very fun tactic to use in just point sparring, okay? So I don't think this can be realistic. This is something that's fun to use and a good way to practice balance and coordination and a lot of, repetition with the height. So what I want you guys to do is something very simple. Pick up your knee, position it into the side kick position, and all I want you to do is shuffle. That's it. All I want you to do is that. Get a sense of where your body is, the weight of it, the mass of it, the way it moves, that stuff. Coming to you guys. I'm actually going to go on an angle so you guys can see a little bit easier. So I'm here. 1, 2, 3. Once you get the hang of that, I want you to try to practice popping out that side kick. Your knee's going to come up and I want you to just shuffle as you kick. It's going to look like this. Boom. That's it. And if you do lose balance, that's okay. I just want you to practice gaining that balance. This is structure we're building, so don't get disappointed if it doesn't work a couple of times. So I'm here. 1, 2. And then if I fall, just do it again. 1, 2. That's it. That's all I'm building, nice and light. Boom. 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 I'm right here. I do my kick, 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 kick. And then if I want to get faster, the shuffling is more of when the kick happens. Every time I take another shuffle, I take another kick. Boom, boom, okay? So I'm here, and I'm gonna kick, trying to find a spot, for God's sakes. Boom, 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 boom. And then if I want to do the other side, boom, boom, boom. Same thing. I'm going to you guys. I'm here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going back. Here. Boom, 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 boom. A lot of fighters use that because basically they're fighting and they go 1, 2, and then they burst. It's a common thing. So that's in the point fighting world. Focus on going straight. Don't focus on going high, okay? Let the momentum take you, all right? You want to know when you're going. Let the momentum take you. Know when to stop. Know when to know they're going to try to trick you into stopping your flow. Stuff like that, okay? Take your time with it. A lot of things that you could work with this kick, all right? It's fun. It's very, very, very fun. But go check out my Patreon if you would like to see more videos where I do more personal things like workouts and different things that help you get better than me. Well, that's it. All right, come to me, guys. Thank you. Good luck.